Good day to each and everyone. I am Abdul Karim P. Abagat. Today we will tackle about Republic Act number 5175, an act to amend Republic Act number 4373 entitled An Act to Regulate the Practice of Social Work and the Operation of Social Work Agency in the Philippines and for other purposes. Republic Act number 5175 ay isang batas para i-regulate ang practice ng social work at ang operasyon ng mga social work agency dito sa Pilipinas at para sa iba pang layunin. Section 1. Social work is the profession which is primarily concerned with organized social services activity. So ang social work ay isang profession na kung saan ang pangunahing layunin ay mag-organisado ng social services activity. Social work aims to facilitate and strengthen basic social relationship and the mutual adjustment between individuals and their social environment for the good of the individual and of society by the use of social work methods. So ang layunin ng isang social work ay patibayin ang relasyon ng bawat isa at ikakabuti ng komunidad. Tumutulong ang mga social worker na maibsan ang pagdurusa ng mga tao, lumalaban para sa katarungan panlipunan, at mapabuti ang mga buhay ng komunidad at pagtulong sa mga individual, pamilya at komunidad na higit na nangangailangan ng tulong. Section 2. Passes a Master Degree in Social Work, MSSW, MSS, MASW, conferred by a reputable school, college, or university duly recognized by the government and also by a duly accredited school, college, or university abroad. So, dapat kung magiging social work ka, dapat nakapagtapos ka ng master degree in social work. Kasi hindi ka pwede muna maging social work kung wala kang degree in social work. Tapos, dapat galing ka sa school na reputable school or college or university. Pero mas maganda kasi kung galing ka sa school na sikat na school para madali ka nila ma-recognize. Pero hindi yun, pero ang mahalaga kasi is mayroon kang degree in social work para mabilis ka lang trabaho as a social work. Section 3. Unless exempt from registration, no person shall practice or offer to practice social work in the Philippines as defined in this Act, or be appointed as a social worker or to any position calling for social worker in any social work agency, whether private or government, without holding a valid certificate of registration as a social worker issued by the Board of Examiners for Social Workers. Dito sa Section 3 ay nakapagtapos ka na ng master degree mo in social work. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na nakapagtapos ka na ng master degree mo in social work, pwede ka na maging social work. Kailangan mo pa ipasa ang board exam in social work. Kasi hindi ka pwede i-appointed as a social work or kahit anong posisyon ng social work sa kahit anong agency, private man o government, kung wala kang katibayan na ikaw ay pumasa sa board exam ng social work. Hindi ka pwede magtrabaho bilang social work kung wala kang validity or certificate na ikaw ay pumasa sa board exam ng social work. Section 4. Qualification of applicant. Ito yung mga qualification bilang social work. In order to admit it to the take of social work examination, an applicant must, at the time of filing his or her application, therefore establish to the satisfaction of the board that he or she is a citizen of the Philippines. So, kailangan ikaw ay citizen ng Pilipinas. He or she is at least 21 years old of age. So, kailangan ikaw ay 21 years old of age kasi 21 years old is knowledgeable enough para maging social work. He or she is in a good health and he is of good moral. So, kailangan ikaw malusog na pangangatawan. Meron kang malusog na pangangatawan kasi kung wala kang malusog na pangangatawan, na paano mo magagampanan yung trabaho bilang social work? And dapat mahalaga din yung magandang karakter, yung good moral. Kasi na tayo yung as a social work, tayo yung nagiging good role model sa ating komunidad. Tayo yung nagiging magandang ehemplo sa mga tao na kung saan tayo nagtatrabaho. He or she has received a diploma as a holder of bachelor degree or masteral degree or its equivalent in social work from an institution, college, or university duly accredited and legally constituted, provided that the Prevention of Republic Act number 2260 insofar as the cultural minorities are concerned be applied and. So, kailangan ikaw ay may natanggap na diploma as a Bachelor of Degree or Master Degree. He or she has complete a minimum period of 1,000 case hours of practical training in an established social work agency under the direct supervision of a fully trained and qualified social worker. So, ito na yung tinatawag nilang OJT or training. So, mag-OJT ka. So, kailangan tapusin mo yung OJT mo kasi kapag hindi mo natapos, hindi ka magiging qualified as a social work. So, kailangan tapusin ang iyong training para maging kwalipikado bilang social work. Section 5, Subparagraph H of Section 26 of the same Act is hereby repealed. Subparagraph H, any person or corporate body who shall violate the rules and regulation of the board or order promulgated by it, duly approved by the President of the Philippines for the purposes of carrying out the prevention of this act. Sinumang tao, korporasyong, katawan na lalabag sa mga alintuntunin at regulasyon ng lupon o mga utos na ipinapahayag nito na nararapat na ipanaaprubahan ng Pangulo ng Pilipinas para sa layunin ng pagsasakatuparan ng mga taong probensyon ng batas na ito ay paparusahan na kung saan magbabayad siya ng less than 500 pesos nor more than 2,000 pesos or kaya makukulong siya for not less than 1 month or nor more than 2 years. Section 6, Subparagraph I of Section 26 of the same Act is hereby redesignated as Subparagraph H. So, ang Subparagraph I ay any person, corporation, or entity operating as a social worker agency without the corresponding certificate of registration issued by the Social Work Welfare Administration. Sinumang tao o korporasyon or entity na nagpapatakbo bilang ahensya ng social worker na walang kaukulang sertipiko ng pagpaparehistro na inisyu ng pangangasiwa ng panlipulang welfare. So, ang subparagraph I ay muling itinalaga bilang subparagraph H dahil ang subparagraph H ay pinawalang bisa. Section 7. This act shall take effect upon its approval. Sa Section 7, magiging effective ito kung maisa sa batas. My insight on this topic, Republic Act 5175 is to regulate the practice of social work as a profession. The preparation for future social work, how do you become a social worker? The qualifications for social work are that the social work must have bachelor's degree or master's degree and also board examiners. Thank you for listening and God bless.